to the beach. Oh, beautiful morning. Sun is shining. Water looks pretty calm. Look how clear it is. Absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully we'll see some sea life today since the water's so clear. Let's go see what we can find. Quite a few seashells. This is a good place to bring a net and kind of scoop right here at the water's edge. You can see they've all kind of piled up. Oh, there's a pinfish. I think I scared him. Yep. There's the pretty herring. Chilling out on the beach. A little bit of seaweed right there. Not been bad at all right now, but there is a little bit out there. Seagrass. On the positive side, I don't see any jellyfish right now. The last time we walked here, which was a couple of weeks ago in the evening, there was a ton of moon jellies right here. A lot of them. Good morning. Lots of seashells right here. And if y'all can see it, I don't know if y'all can see it on video, but that's a rock right there. So that would hurt you if you didn't see that and just jumped in. It's a pretty sharp rock right there. So we're right here at the jetty. Absolutely gorgeous today. See there. Sitting at the camera up there. They're dredging over there. Let's go ahead and walk over here a little bit. Get a little bit better view up here. Oh. So oh, there's the moon jellies. They're washed up. They just like got sucked in this hole or something and washed up. sharks. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous today. We haven't had rain in a little while, nothing to stir it up. It is absolutely amazing, just crystal clear right now. Keep walking down, go under the pass. So we came by this past weekend, and the dredge boat was still on that side of the pass, on the north side, and now this morning they have made it all the way down there, just about to the jetties. And it's not affecting the water at all. A few folks walking the bridge, getting their exercise this morning. Saw a lot of people out running. It's a gorgeous day. Not a cloud in the sky. Weather's beautiful. Water's beautiful. A lot of folks out fishing today. There used to be a ladder there, but now they've piled up rocks where you can climb up on the pilings where he is about to throw his cast net, and you can jump in the water from right there. That island out there is Bird Island, and a lot of times you'll see that in some of our videos from the opposite side, because we're over at the boat launch over there filming, and you can see that side of Bird Island. A lot of people think that's Robinson Island, but Robinson Island is actually the next one. A lot of folks out fishing today. The water is just crystal clear. Nothing but a few fish. I saw one blue crab. That blue building, that's a container building. That's the restaurant called The Gulf. And we have not had their hamburgers, but people down here swear that they have the best hamburgers anywhere around here. I'm a seafood lover, so when we go somewhere down here, I'm eating like shrimp. We're on the Gulf Coast. We are on the Alabama Gulf Coast. I'm in Orange Beach, Alabama, so that's the Gulf of Mexico. And the pirate ship coming in is a dolphin cruise that you can book. And when you come down here, we see dolphins a lot of times just walking the beach. So you can take a dolphin cruise and go out and see the dolphins jumping and stuff with them. There's a lot of options down here. There are probably 20 dolphin boats that you can book to go out to see the dolphins. And if you don't do that, you can just come down here anywhere around the creek or go around to the Gulf side where we're at, and sometimes you can see dolphins. Yeah, so the cobalt, all right, they moved up. So Cobalt is just past the bridge, so I was just down there. If you walk under the bridge, you can see Cobalt right there. Love that place. That is a fantastic restaurant. If you're in the area and looking for a good place to eat, Cobalt should be on the list. But it can get pretty busy sometimes. They are very popular for a good reason. We did not move from Alice State. We grew up in Mobile, Alabama, so we've lived here on the in South Alabama our whole lives, and we sold our house in 2021. Last year we sold our house and decided to do full-time RVing, and we love it down here. We found a great deal and decided to make Orange Beach our home base. So we travel around the South a lot, but we are based here in Orange Beach. It is great, and the water feels fantastic right now. You know, a lot of people think that after the summer it's too cold or whatever to come down and swim, but it's not. It is perfect right now. The clarity of the water is at its absolute best. It feels good. The sun is still very warm, so it's a great time to come down and swim. We do have alligators, not here like where I'm standing in the water in the Gulf. We don't have alligators. We do up in the bays and the bayous, like Gulf State Park is one of our favorite places to go. They have a huge nature trail for walking and biking, and there are alligators along that trail. But like out here on the beaches and stuff in the bay right here, no, there's no alligators out here. We have sharks and lots of sea life like that, but no gators. I see somebody rode their electric bikes down here. Beautiful day to get out and ride your bike. So, shower. Oh. Wash my feet off real quick before we go back to the car. Y'all going to dive the jetties?
Yeah.
Cool. So one final look here, we made it back to the parking lot. There are covered pavilions with picnic tables. They do have a couple of drink machines. This is where you start. And then they have some nice clean restrooms. This is where you'll also find the beach flag, the warning flag. Make sure that you pay attention to that. And remember, this is paid parking. So it's part of Gulf State Park now, and you do have to pay to park. So don't forget to stop here and get your parking decal to go in your car. So we're back where we started. That was 1.3 miles. You'll have to ignore the hour and 16 seconds because, you know, I stopped a lot and ended up stopping and doing a live on TikTok. So it does not take that long, but it is 1.3 miles to walk all the way around.